How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Apologies for it being so long, but it's been rubbish weather, as you can see. As you guys know, if you've been following along for a while, we are outside, but today's a beauty. We got faux suns. We are going to be cracking on. As you can see, the van's still not done. Rain. We blame the rain, and our boss can't be bothered with it. It's a summer vehicle, but we're going to be cracking on with Samuel's Skyline. Obviously, if you've been following along as well, you'll know that we were supposed to be taking this to the Nürburgring. We fully forged the engine, built it, loads of stuff, and then we started it, but it didn't run right. And basically, off camera, we diagnosed that it was a tooth off on the timing. So we retimed it. Well, Sam did it. I let him crack on with it because he's got to learn. And put it all back together, put the cam sensor back on, and basically there's two little half moons. You can't see it from here, the cam's still in there. Two little half moons that go, one goes into the cam sensor and then one goes into, like, they go next to each other, and it knows what the cam timing is. Basically the camshaft half moon bit that goes into the sensor snapped off, so still don't run right. Luckily, because he had to buy a new head because this one was destroyed when we built it, we cut the old camshafts, so it's the exhaust side. So I said I'll do it. Obviously I'm going to have to do the timing again, which is a pain in the ass because it's quite tight on these. Well, mine went on quite easy, but for some reason his argues. But anyway, I'll deal with that in a minute. But yeah, I need to change the camshaft, do the timing again, put the cam sensor in, and hopefully it runs good, because it ran like it was a Rotary. Basically, because it was out of timing, a tooth out of timing, which I don't know if that's what it was. Might be something might be completely different, and it wasn't even it was only like half a tooth or something, or one. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna try it, and hopefully the thing works. It's been sat outside my house here for months, and he wants a car. He wants to drive it. That's what he bought it. So let's get cracking. Okay, progress so far. Obviously, we've got all the covers off for the timing belt. Put it in top dead center. Got the valve cover, camshaft cover off. And now I'm just going to take the cam out. I'm going to try and do it. Obviously, I'm sure that will take the camshaft out and that will just drop this one, but we'll try and do it whilst it's in time, but I'm sure I'm going to have to retime it. It's pretty much guaranteed. Let's get on with it. Okay, camshaft out. As you can see on the end here, come on, focus. On the end there, there's supposed to be a little half moon. I'll show you on the other one now. That's obviously snapped right off. But yeah, I'll show you the new one and you'll understand it. Well, I say new, it's the old new one. But yeah, look. See it? The half moon thing? That's what snapped off on it. So, put this thing on and hopefully the car works. Right, here we go. We have new camshaft in, or torque down, and time belt timing on the blue, and obviously the line for the belt, which is on the side there. It's a bit faded. I don't know why, it's a brand new belt. And the bottom one, can't really see it, but believe me, he is lined up. So now need to do all the timing and covers and all that crap, valve cover, stick it back together again. Oh yeah, and I found out why that little moon thing in there, look, snapped off in the camshaft, in the cam sensor side, is because, well, I think I'm guessing, but with an educated guess, all of these bolts, I googled the torque specs, obviously when I torqued them down, they're like 10 to 12 newton meters, so not a lot. And when I took them off, they were tight, so I think old Samuel done them a bit too tight, so the camshaft was struggling to spin, hence snapped the little half moon thing, no longer running. But what I may have to do, if he's done those ones tight, I may take that valve cover off and just check the bolts if they're not too tight, because then obviously the intake camshaft will probably be really slow and tight as well. So I might have to do that, but we can do that when all the stuff's back together again, so I might do that after. When it's done. Right, my little beauts, all back together. I took the other valve cover off, which is not as easy as that side because of all the stupid intake crap, but I checked the bolts, they weren't too bad, they weren't as tight as that side, so hopefully we can start it and it works. Still got a couple of tube lines to plug in, but hoses, but yeah, I'll stick all these on and then hopefully it runs. Let's do it. It's all back together. Let's see what happens. Oh, Samuel. Oh. Yeah, baby, I did a trick. Yeah, boy! We completed it. That's how a Skyline sounds. Supposed to sound anyway.